Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Pretty excited today to show you the all-new pontoon that Harris just came out with. This is the brand new Breeze. So Harris decided to make a simple but elegant and fun pontoon that comes in 21 feet and 23 feet. This particular pontoon we have in stock is a two-tune pontoon with 25-inch tubes and an all-new chassis. Now, the great thing about this chassis is it is on all their lineup, all the way from their Breeze all the way up to their Crown. So you know you have a great pontoon and they didn't skimp on anything. So let's take a look at the outside first. You can choose from a couple different colors on the outside. Today we did the black metallic, so there is a little bit of a flake in there that will pop out in the sun. As you saw on the front, it has a massive front to it, so you can hang out there with a couple different people. And then they did do an extended on the back here. So a couple different engine sizes we can go through. The 21, and this one in particular, is a 60 horse. On the 23 foot with a tri-tune, you can get a 150 horsepower engine on that. So there are some good options available, but also not giving you so many options that you get confused. So let's take a look at the interior and see what else we got. All right, welcome aboard the all-new Breeze 210. So to make this simple, they give you one layout. This is the CW, or center walkthrough. So you just have nice walkthrough. You've got seating in the front, and then also you've got some nice seating in the back with the captain's chair. Under all these seats, on hinges, by the way, you've got some nice storage on both sides, so you can lift those up and you got nicest place to put things. We do have a Clarion stereo system that has Bluetooth, so you got 4 speakers in here with your Clarion at the helm. We've got a door here on the port side, which is nice to have, bring things on. We did order this with a 10-foot bimini that matches the boat. We have cup holders everywhere, which is really nice to have. We've got the nice Harris chair, as you can see. So the interior color is going to be what we call fog, and then it has a black accent all over the boat as well. This chair does swivel. You got the armrests that pop up and down. You've got the nice steering wheel right here. We've got some Harris gauges at the helm for yourself. You've got your navigation system. This one, like I said, has a 60 horse engine on it, so easy to maneuver, easy to go around. It comes with a cover as well, so there are some other small options that you can get with this particular pontoon, but the whole point was to make it simple and have a lot of fun and not break the bank. So this boat is here at our Rogers location if you'd like to come take a look at it. And we can take builds right now, so we can build you this same boat or other ones as well. But stop on by anytime you want, or give us a call, set up an appointment. Again, here at our Rogers showroom. Again, like this video to see all the content, and then subscribe to see everything we put out every day. Thank you.